Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the CAROTE 18-piece ceramic cookware set with titanium non-stick and detachable handles. If you're looking for a versatile, space-saving, and durable cookware solution, stick around because this might just be it. Let's talk about the star of the show, the non-stick technology. CAROTE is touting a new, sleek titanium-infused ceramic surface. They claim it's incredibly durable and outperforms standard non-stick pans, and in my testing, this holds up remarkably well. Food slides off with minimal effort, whether it's delicate eggs or a stubborn sear. The titanium infusion seems to give it a real edge in terms of longevity, and I haven't encountered any scratches or chipping after a good amount of use. This is crucial because, let's face it, a non-stick pan that loses its non-stick capabilities quickly is more frustrating than useful. Now, one of the most significant selling points here, and frankly a game-changer for many, is the detachable handle system. This set is designed for optimal storage and easy stacking with the handles off, and CAROTE claims it saves 80% more space. I can definitely attest to that. My cabinets, which were previously overflowing with pots and pans, are now much more organized. The undercut design on the handles, where the dust worries are supposedly eliminated, is a clever touch that makes a real difference in keeping your cookware clean when stored. The handles themselves are easy to attach and detach with a secure click, and they feel robust enough to handle the weight of the pans even when fully loaded. The construction of this set is also noteworthy. It's built with premium thickness die-cast aluminum, which provides excellent durability and, more importantly, fantastic heating performance. The heat distribution is remarkably even across the surface of the pans. This means you're less likely to have hot spots that burn your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. This elevated heating performance truly makes a difference in the quality of your cooking, allowing for more precise control and consistent results. For those who value convenience, this set is a winner. It's dishwasher safe, which is always a huge plus for busy home cooks. And to make things even better, it's compatible with all cooktops, including induction. So, whether you have a gas range, an electric stove, or the latest induction hob, this set will work perfectly for you. The set itself is quite comprehensive. You get a 9-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 2-quart saucepan, a 4-quart saucepan with a silicone lid, and a 10-inch 4-quart sauté pan. To complement these, you also get a 10-inch silicone lid, 2 detachable handles, a soup ladle, a solid spatula, 4 pan protectors to prevent scratching when stacked, and 3 trivets. This is a substantial collection that covers most of your everyday cooking needs, from frying and simmering to sautéing and stewing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are definitely the impressive titanium-infused ceramic non-stick coating, the brilliant space-saving design with detachable handles, the even heating and durability thanks to the die-cast aluminum, and the overall convenience of being dishwasher safe and induction compatible. The inclusion of useful accessories also adds significant value. However, no product is perfect. While the non-stick is excellent, long-term durability is always something to monitor with ceramic coatings, though the titanium infusion seems to address this concern. The detachable handles, while fantastic for storage, do add an extra step when you're cooking. You need to remember to attach them before you start and detach them for storage. Also, while the set is very comprehensive, some might prefer to purchase individual pieces to suit their specific needs rather than a large set. CAROTE also offers a 12-month warranty, which is a good safety net for any quality concerns you might have, and they encourage you to reach out if any issues arise. In conclusion, the CAROTE 18-piece ceramic cookware set with titanium non-stick and detachable handles is a highly practical and well-designed addition to any kitchen. It excels in its non-stick performance, its ingenious space-saving storage solution, and its robust construction. If you're struggling with cabinet space or simply looking for a high-performing and versatile cookware set, this CAROTE collection is definitely worth serious consideration. Link in the description.